Have you ever wondered how genetic mutations occur and what decides their pattern? A fascinating query to ponder. Genetic mutations are fundamental changes in our DNA, the biological blueprint that governs all life forms. Now, these mutations are not as random as you might think. On the contrary, they follow a specific pattern, a sort of biological rhythm, if you will. Picture an orchestra. Just as every instrument plays its part to create a harmonious symphony, each element within our DNA contributes to the overall pattern of genetic mutations. No note is played without reason, and similarly, no mutation occurs without cause. These changes are not mere accidents, but are dictated by an underlying principle, a hidden code within our genetic material. So, we find ourselves standing at the edge of a great mystery, staring into the intricate puzzle of life. So the question is, what governs these patterns of genetic mutations? Believe it or not, there's a hidden math that governs these patterns. Now that might seem a bit far-fetched, but let's break it down. When we talk about genetic mutations, we're talking about changes in the sequences of DNA. These sequences are like a blueprint for life, dictating everything from the color of your eyes to your susceptibility to certain diseases. But, like any blueprint, it's not set in stone. Mistakes can happen, resulting in alterations or mutations in the DNA sequence. Now, this is where the hidden math comes in. Just like the way mathematical principles govern the patterns in snowflakes or the spirals of a seashell, they also govern the patterns of genetic mutations. It's not just random chaos. There's a method to the madness, an underlying structure, a mathematical framework that governs how and when these mutations occur. This hidden math is like a secret language, a code written in the language of life itself. It's not something you can see with the naked eye, but it's there, underpinning the entire process of genetic mutation, and it's incredibly powerful. Understanding this hidden math allows scientists to predict mutation patterns, highlighting areas of the DNA sequence that are more likely to mutate and potentially cause disease. The implications of this are huge. By understanding the mathematical principles that govern genetic mutations, we can potentially predict and prevent certain diseases before they even happen. It's a significant breakthrough in genetics research, opening up a whole new world of possibilities in the fight against genetic disorders. But this hidden math isn't just a tool for prediction. It's also a key to understanding the very nature of life itself. It's a reminder that even in the seemingly random chaos of genetic mutations, there's an order, a pattern, a structure. It's a testament to the intricate and beautifully complex nature of life. Indeed, this hidden math is a key player in the grand scheme of genetic mutations. It's a fascinating world of numbers and sequences, hidden within the very fabric of life itself, waiting to be discovered. Let's take a moment to recap the fascinating world of hidden math in genetic mutations. In our journey today, we've delved into the intricate world of genetics, specifically genetic mutations, those alterations in our DNA that can result in a variety of different outcomes. Firstly, we explored what genetic mutations are. They are essentially changes in the genetic sequence, the blueprint of life encoded within our DNA. These changes can occur spontaneously, or they can be induced by external factors. They can lead to variations in physical traits, different responses to drugs, or even the onset of certain diseases. But what's truly intriguing is the hidden math that governs these mutations. We've learned that these mutations are not random, as once believed, but follow a certain mathematical pattern. This pattern, a complex algorithm of nature, dictates the frequency and distribution of mutations across the genetic sequence. Just as the laws of physics govern the movement of planets, this unseen math governs the world of genetics. This discovery is groundbreaking. It's like finding a hidden treasure map, leading us to a deeper understanding of the genetic structure. It opens up new avenues for research and has the potential to revolutionize the field of genetics. It could potentially enable scientists to predict mutation patterns and thereby help them to devise more effective treatments for genetic disorders. The implications of this hidden math in genetic mutations extend far beyond the realm of science. It changes our perspective on the natural world, reminding us of the intricate mathematical order that underpins it. It's a testament to the intricate beauty of life, where biology and mathematics intertwine to create the complex tapestry that is our genetic makeup. So next time you think about genetics, remember, it's not just about biology, but also about the hidden math that governs it all.